Hey everyone! Welcome back! Today, I'm going to show you how to turn a simple photo into a stunning cyberpunk futuristic portrait using Google Gemini AI. If you've ever wanted that neon, science fiction, movie poster vibe, this one's for you. First, open Google Gemini on your browser or mobile app. Then, upload your regular photo, make sure your face is clearly visible and the background is not too busy. This helps the AI detect your outline properly. Now comes the magic part, the prompt. Type this. Convert this photo into a cyberpunk-style portrait, neon lighting, glowing eyes, futuristic cityscape behind, ultra-realistic, ultra-detailed textures. Once you hit enter, just wait a few seconds, Gemini will start processing the image and transforming it into something out of a sci-fi movie. You'll see your photo reimagined with glowing lights, reflections, and a futuristic city background. When you're happy with the look, download the photo in high resolution and post it on Instagram. So that's it, one basic photo turned into a futuristic masterpiece using Gemini. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And follow for more AI editing tricks. See you in the next one.